There is a video where Sir David Attenborough shows what convinced him that humans cause global warming. If you haven't seen this video, see it. It's called Sir David Attenborough, The Truth About Climate Change. He shows a graph created by Professor Peter Cox. Here is the graph. First, let's analyze the temperature data, which is the red curve. What is wrong with it is that now is warmer than the late 1930s. The graph is like that because of the urban heat effect. What that is when cities develop, they build more roads and buildings, which create local heat. When you take temperatures in these cities, the temperatures are warmer than they should be, which gives you incorrect data. That explains this curve. But looking at temperature data from the Arctic, which does not have the urban heat effect, we see today almost as warm as the late 1930s, which were a little bit warmer. Then, after the temperature graph is shown, they have a model, which is this green curve, of the two natural factors, solar activity and volcanic eruption, which can influence the climate. It does not correlate with the temperature very well. What is odd about this model is that it is of two very different natural factors, and instead of showing each factor individually, they showed both of them together in one model. But just looking at solar radiance by itself, which on this graph is represented by the gray curve, we see a much better correlation with temperatures. Since the model they used did not correlate with temperatures very well, they run the model again, this time including human factors such as greenhouse gas emissions. This model is represented by this yellow curve. It seems to correlate with temperature data, but remember, the temperature data is very poor. The data has been analyzed. Ask, are these convincing data? Yes or no?